Hi, my name's Alexandra from Saredon Studios. Welcome to potion painting. So today we're going to be painting a love potion. You can get these potion outlines on our website through our creative projects. Link will be in the description. We'll be using a wet on wet technique for the first part of this tutorial. Make sure all your colours are prepared in advance. Then use just water and a brush to wet the whole of the heart shape with a layer of water. Then take your colours, I've chose red, orange and yellow for my colour scheme, and blob these colours onto different areas of the wet heart. As you will see, the colours will start to blend and bleed into each other. We want this to happen. Keep applying the paint to different areas. Try to make sure you don't put the same colours next door to each other. Once you're happy with the amount of paint on the area, what you're then going to start to do is make sure that this paint covers all of the different sections of the heart. So move the paint around right up until the edges and cover any little white gaps that you might have. Once you've covered all the white gaps and gone right up to the edges with all of the paint, you might have some areas that have bled into each other extremely well. We still want to be able to see the different colours, so you can go back over certain areas and add a little bit more colour in. So for example, any areas that have gone a little bit too orange, you could add either red or yellow back on the top to add a little bit more colour in there and make sure that they haven't completely bled into each other. Now I'm going to paint the rest of the bottle. I'd like to make it look a little bit like old glass, so I've mixed a cream using mustard and white, and I'm just painting those areas a flat mustardy beige colour. To give a little bit more depth, I'm going to add a dark red line around the outside of the bottle. To make this, I've just used a red and a brown and mixed these together to get the desired colour. I'm then painting a nice neat edge around the whole of the heart section of the bottle. This will help accentuate it and make it look a little bit more 3D. I then continue this red line around the rest of the bottle to help make it look more 3D. To get nice neat edges, try to drag your brush and keep your end of your brush pointed in the direction that you're painting. So we're now going to paint the bottle top. This can be any shape you want. I've chosen to do a flame to indicate the passion of the love potion. So to do this, you can draw it out first or you can paint it straight on like I have. Either way is great. I've chosen to do the flame, so the first layer is going to be a yellow. I'm going to use this yellow to then highlight the foot and the neck of the bottle too. Once that's dry, I will then go in and do a second layer of orange, and then when that's dry, I'll go in and do a second layer of red. Using these colours again to decorate the foot and the neck of the bottle. Make sure the layers are dry before applying the watercolour, because otherwise they will bleed into each other, and for this section we don't want them to. The last stage is to add some highlights to the bottle. We want to make it look shiny like glass and three-dimensional, so you can use a little bit of white to add some highlights in. I use white acrylic paint because this sits on top of the watercolours really well. You can use either white acrylic or white watercolour, either will be fine. And that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the tutorial, and don't miss out on our cosmic potion painting class on our channel. You can get all of the potion outlines on our creative projects, link in the description. Thanks, bye.